rear carrier from Tusk. This thing comes with really good manual. Everything is written down and pictured, so this is amazing job done. Yeah, we got all these nuts, this extended pieces, and we will even have to rewire, I think, some of the signal lights and stuff. Right, so first we gotta take off this cover right here. And we're gonna remove this bolt right here. We're gonna take this thing off. Okay, reinstall these three 12mm bolts. So you're gonna take this original long bolt from the blinker, from the signal light, reuse it right here, and then of course we're using this battery holder bolt to attach this first bracket here. So we got all these parts. Replacing this original bolts with this button bolts here. We got all the subframe parts in. Taking off the seat now. Yeah, this is it. We're gonna do the wire extension. Okay, we got those extensions in. It's easy. Green on green, orange on orange, blue on blue. You got these extensions. Now we're gonna connect it with these ends of the signal lights and move the wires to the back. All right, we got it. It's in. Check this out. Looks good.